Hey everyone, Awesome Kids here!
Oh my gosh, it's the Mega Fun Factory!
Yup, we had so much fun magically transforming Play-Doh eggs into surprise eggs last time. So, we decided to create a part 2.
Yes!
The Mega Fun Factory's magic power is fully charged, so let's get started. Oh, before we begin, last time we used this blue gear mold, so let's switch it out for the other gear mold. This one makes different kinds of sweet treats. Alright, it's time for the Mega Fun Factory to get to work. I know everyone wants to see the Play-Doh eggs turn into surprise eggs, but let's see what kind of sweet treats we can make. I inserted some purple Play-Doh. Let's turn the factory on and extrude it. Cut the Play-Doh.
Stamp!
Turn the gear for a different one.
Stamp!
Turn it on one more time.
Stamp!
Now let's press the cutter to separate each Play-Doh shape.
Boom! Bam!
Now just let the shapes fall into the tray. And just like that, we made 3 purple sweet treats. Here's a Play-Doh candy. We made some circular candy with glazing on top. And we also made some sweet berries.
Make the surprise eggs!
Okay, I'm on it. Let's insert some more purple Play-Doh. Turn the factory on.
Extrude!
We'll cut it right here. And let's turn this into a Play-Doh egg. It's time for the purple Play-Doh egg to go down the conveyor belt. Ooh, you're about to become something wonderful. The Mega Fun Factory did it! It turned the purple Play-Doh egg into a Kinder Joy.
Oh yeah! You can always count on the Mega Fun Factory.
Let's open up our first surprise egg. When you tear it apart, you get 2 halves. Let's open up the golden half. This is where you'll find a delicious Kinder chocolate, and you can find the spoon on the other half of the egg. If you're feeling for a big bite, scoop up an entire Ferrero Rocher. Make sure you dig in with your spoon so that you can get the milk chocolate at the bottom, and you'll have some white chocolate on top to make it one very scrumptious bite. As tasty as this looks right now, I've eaten way too many of these, and I want to check out the surprise toy. Woo! We got quite a few pieces. Let's check the instructions. Oh, nice! We got a toy from the Crazy Friends, and it looks like we get to launch our Crazy Friend. Oh, we even get these targets to aim at, and the top right shows how many points you can earn if you knock them down. Let me assemble this Crazy Friend first. He doesn't look that crazy. We've seen some crazier ones, huh?
Yep.
Okay, let's attach our Crazy Friend to this board. And here's the base of the set, and with this rubber band, we can launch our Crazy Friend. Is everyone ready for takeoff?
Yes!
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, that Crazy Friend spun out. Let's go again. Launch!
Yippee!
Woo, that was fun. Let's make some more surprise eggs. Insert some more purple Play-Doh. Turn the factory on. Cut it right here. Okay, let's make another Play-Doh egg. Woo, woo! Down the belt you go. Nice! This time the Play-Doh egg transformed into a FashEms. It's a Disney Sophia the First FashEms. Let's check it out. Oh, I know who this is. Everyone say hi to Whatnot.
I wish Whatnot could talk to us.
I know, but at least he does his best to keep Sophia safe. Isn't that right, Whatnot? Let's keep this going. This time I'll insert some orange Play-Doh. Can't wait to see which surprise toys we get with an orange Play-Doh egg. Stop, cut, and let me just shape this into an egg. Bye-bye, orange Play-Doh egg. See you when you transform. Oh, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Yes! We got a surprise egg! And it's a really good one too. We got a Barbie surprise egg. There's Barbie holding a heart lollipop, and let's see what's inside.
Whoa, that's a lot of stuff.
Okay, so we get a bunch of pink heart candy. Here are all the Barbie surprise toys you can collect. We get a giant Barbie sticker. She's got some pink headphones and sparkly blue shades. And for the surprise toy, oh, how cool! We get this mini pink sparkly frame with a picture of Barbie and her pets. Wow, that Barbie surprise egg was awesome! Let's insert some more orange Play-Doh and see what else we can get. Turn the factory on. Let's turn this into an orange Play-Doh egg. Alright, off you go! Turn into something amazing! Come on, give us something good! Yes! This orange Play-Doh egg turned into a Kinder Joy!
I'll take that!
2 Kinder Joys today! That's awesome! Let's hurry up and open it! Here is the golden half, which is the delicious Kinder chocolate. I'll just stick the spoon inside here and save that for later. Alright, time for the toy. Ooh, I think it is. Yes! We got some more crazy friends. And this one, oh, I know what this is. Let me assemble first and I'll explain. Now this is more like a crazy friend. But this is a color changing crazy friend. Hot or cold water will change its face color. Ah, no! The Play-Doh Fun Factory has enough magic for one more. Let's make this one count. I'll switch up the Play-Doh color and use green this time. Extrude. Woo! That's a nice looking green. Let's turn it into a Play-Doh egg. Alright, green Play-Doh egg. See you when you become an awesome surprise egg. Don't let us down. Yes, we got a FashEms. And this time it's a Doc McStuffins FashEms. Let's get to opening. The Doc is in. We got Doc McStuffins in her usual outfit. I guess she's ready to treat some of her patients. Have a good day, Doc. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.